Hi, welcome. I'm Shivangi Shukla and you're watching this special feature, Progressive Maharashtra, where we spotlight the most impactful developments from the state. These initiatives are not only redefining Maharashtra's growth story, but also fueling India's journey towards Prime Minister Modi's ambitious vision of a developed India. So let's begin with the major headline that remained in focus. On Constitution Day, a statue of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was unveiled at the UNESCO headquarters in Paris, a proud and historic moment for India. The statue has been presented by the government of Maharashtra, honouring Dr. Ambedkar's pivotal role in drafting the Indian Constitution. His ideas of justice, equality and liberty continue to inspire generations across the world. On the same occasion, Maharashtra government, along with the Shantilal Mutha Foundation, organized special programs across nearly 75,000 government schools in the state. These activities helped children understand the importance of the Constitution through simple, engaging and creative methods.
संविधान हमारा ऐसा है कि जिसने हर व्यक्ति को आवाज दी है, हर व्यक्ति को अस्तित्व का अधिकार दिया है, हर व्यक्ति को अपने सपने पूरे करने का अधिकार दिया है। भारत का संविधान दुनिया का सर्वश्रेष्ठ संविधान है।
The moment that millions had awaited for generations finally arrived with the completion of the Sri Ram Temple in Ayodhya, a landmark chapter in India's history and faith. And after nearly 500 years of devotion and anticipation, this grand event became an emotional and historic milestone for the entire nation. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and Pujya Sarsang Chalak Dr. Mohan Bhagwat ji unfurled the Dharma Dhwaj, leading a divine grace to this unforgettable occasion. On this sacred day in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, CM Devendra Fadnavis inaugurated the Om Jagat Guru Jan Shanti Dharma Sohala and marked the commencement of the 751 Kund Yagyashala. A special worship of Lord Shiva was performed and a massive yagya was organized, offering prayers for peace, unity and the progress of the nation. In a meeting of the Cabinet Infrastructure Committee chaired by CM Devendra Fadnavis, several major road construction projects of the Pune, Shirur and Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar regions were approved. This includes a multi-lane highway for Pune-Shirur and two 6-lane highways in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. The aim of these projects is to significantly improve connectivity and transportation in these regions, with a target to complete all work within 3 years. The Pune-Shirur National Highway project includes a 4-lane road along with a 6-lane elevated expressway. On the Pune-Shirur Expressway, a unique 3-tier structure will be built on a 7.40-kilometer stretch of a 35-kilometer elevated corridor, featuring a ground-level road, a flyover above it and a metro line on the top deck. Additionally, the construction of a 6-lane road from Shendra Industrial Estate to Bidkin and from Bidkin to Dhoregaon has also been approved. Along with this, a new greenfield road connecting via the Samruddhi Expressway has received clearance as well. Maharashtra is now encouraging farmers to adopt drone-based farming and several government departments are actively working in this direction. As part of this initiative, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis inaugurated a large-scale agriculture exhibition in Nagpur. At the AgroVision Agriculture Exhibition, farmers were introduced to advanced technologies that can make farming easier, more efficient and more profitable. The major attractions at the expo were demonstrations of drone-based farming and the use of AI-driven techniques for smarter agriculture. The Nagpur Book Festival 2025 began with great enthusiasm. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis inaugurated the Zero Mile Lit Fest and interacted with publishers and visitors at the various bookstores. CM also gifted school students the book Exam Warriors, written by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, encouraging them to study with confidence, without stress and with strong moral values. The festival has also given Nagpur's cultural landscape a fresh and vibrant new dimension. And that wraps up today's journey of Progressive Maharashtra. We saw how the state is marching ahead with fresh energy across every sector. Every project, every step strengthening the vision of a prosperous, empowered and modern Maharashtra. We'll be back next week with more inspiring stories and new chapters of the state's progress. Until then, Jai Maharashtra!